Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can see your watch history on TikTok. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So just like in your YouTube watch history, TikTok watch history is also the same. You can see all the videos which you have watched previously on TikTok. But in TikTok, every 1 month your watch history is going to be resetted. So you can only see the video you have seen in a month, alright? Not more than that. So let me show you guys how you guys can see it. First step, after you open TikTok, click on versus profile at the bottom right corner of your screen so you can comment your TikTok profile. Once you're over here, and at the top right corner you can see the 3 lines. Click on it and click on versus settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy over here, now once you come on setting and privacy, over here where it says watch history under content and activities, click on watch history and all the videos which you have previously watched is going to be shown over here. So it's loading for a bit, and after it completes loading, all of your TikTok watch history is going to be shown over here. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can see our watch history on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.